Hey guys, so today's video is my recent skincare favorites. There's only 4 products, so this video won't be too long. I got 4 products. I can't say they're inexpensive. There's one drugstore product, but it's a pricey drugstore product, so I'm sorry, but I feel like if you're gonna splurge on something, it should be your skincare, because if you have good skin, you'll have good makeup. So definitely invest in your skincare before you invest in makeup, to be honest. That's how I feel. And yeah, let me just get it right into this video. But first, we are just gonna, wait for you to subscribe to my channel. It takes 2 seconds and it's free. There's a button down below. Yeah, no, you don't have to, but it would just help me out. And it would also help out if you gave this video a thumbs up, and maybe like comment down below what your favorite skincare is. Yes? No? But anyways, by the way, I do have a giveaway on my Instagram at MakeupByMicaylah. It's pretty big. It's pretty large. I'll put a picture right here. This is the giveaway. So yeah, I'll link that down below. And look how many people you guys have entered already. Like, all these people have entered. I'm so happy. I have to write a few more people down on there that I haven't got to, but yeah, I'm definitely happy about it. I didn't think people were gonna enter like that, but it's until July. No, we're not in July. It's until January 27th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Almost at Eastern Specific Time. Eastern Standard Time. So yeah, don't mind me today, guys. I just got off of work. I'm pretty I'm dead. I'm burnt. So yeah, I'm so happy tomorrow's Friday, and I'm so happy that the weekend's coming. But yeah, I'm ranting, so let's just get right into this video. I was rudely interrupted by Dustin, but that means he shouldn't FaceTime me in this video. Like, he should not. He always FaceTimes me at the end of my videos or in the middle of my videos or something. He should not. But the first product is Patchology. I can't say that word. Patchology. It's patch and then ology. Patchology. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but this is from Patchology. It's the Flash Patch Restoring Night Eye Gels. My notes say that for $60 you get 30 pairs, and this is the packaging. It's in a little cute little container. I really do like the packaging, like a lot. It's very, very travel friendly. It comes with a little spatula, like a scoop, and a cap, and they smell really fresh and clean. And then you open them up, and I've used only half of them. I'm trying not to spill it. There is a little gel in there. They smell so good, but like, this is what they look like. They're just little, little eye patches soaked in serum. And then this little spatula has like a little scoop. It's like a little lifted hill on one side, so you can pick it up. This product is supposed to reduce fine lines and brighten dark circles, and I can say that it does do that. It soothes my allergy. Like, I get really itchy right here, and I've been putting these under my eyes, and it soothes my allergies so much. I might just have to get more of these. I was sent these, but I'm just gonna have to purchase more. Like, I really need to. I have really bad under eye dryness, and it hydrates very well. And it also, like, for some reason when I put these on, I feel so relaxed. I don't know if it's because I have something sitting here on my face and it's really cooling, but I get really sleepy when I put these on. I also put down that it doesn't slip and slide everywhere. Like, some of these kind of rubbery kind of face masks and under eye mask and everything kind of slip and slide around everywhere, but these ones actually stay in place. And the only con that I wrote down is it's kind of costly. If you use these every single day, this is a jar for like a month, and they're $60. $60 a month for a year is a lot of money. I'm not about to do that math. 12 times 60 is $720. It's $7.20. See, I was right. See, I'm not tripping. If you use these once a month, a jar of these, it'll be $720. That's pricey. So if you really like have that bad of under eyes and you really want to invest in something like this, go ahead and do it. But I use these really whenever I have really irritated eyes, or like I've gotten upset and I need the puffiness to go away or something like that. The second thing you probably heard me speak about maybe a month or two ago, maybe, I'm not sure, but the second thing is Dermalogica Daily Micro Exfoliant. I always thought it was micro exfoliant. It's microfoliant, and it is a powder. Just gonna show you a little bit. It is a powder. Stop focusing on my face. It's a powder that's pretty much turns into like a kind of clay-like consistency cream. It's like a creamy clay. It lasts a long time for me. I don't use it every single day, but I use it majority of the time. The price for a 0.45 ounce bottle, this is like, it's like this big, I think. It's like the travel size is $10, and for this one, which you can see how big it is $55. Pretty pricey, but like I said, if you want to splurge on something, splurge on skincare. It does come with an auto replenish choice on Dermalogica's website. You can get sent every month. You can get sent this over and over again, or every 4 months, which is recommended by them. And this is gentle enough for everyday use. It's for all skin types, activates with water, and I use this in the shower. I wash my face in the shower because the steam opens up my pores and I can really get in there. What else did I write down? I said it exfoliates dead cells for brighter and smoother skin. What I experienced with this product is it really minimized my pores on my nose. Like anytime I have really bad blackheads or something, it minimizes the crap out of them. What else did I write down? I always forget things, so I'm gonna start writing stuff down so I don't forget to mention stuff. But it does get rid of like at least 90% of my dead skin. I do have like dead skin patches. You can, ow, that's my hair got stuck on something. You can see right here I have like a really dry patch from my breakout. I get these little like deep pimples and they always turn into dry like patches. Those don't really, this doesn't really get those away, but it really like gets all of the dead skin off my face like really good. It does make my skin more matte, but it doesn't strip my skin of all the oils. It's really good at not stripping your skin, and I find that a lot of products I have that issue with because I don't want to strip all my skin of the nutrients. I just want to get rid of the dirt and the oils that build up on my skin. This is probably my favorite face wash I've ever used. The next thing we're going to talk about, I probably already talked about, the Pixi Double Cleanse. I still use this. This is a new one because I'm just going to tell you the con is that it can be so messy. Like I dropped it on the ground and it went everywhere. Probably if you drop it, it's gonna be messy, but I'm just gonna go ahead and show you. This can get really messy. I don't know if you can see that because it is white and not gonna be able to see it, but it is very messy. I'm not even gonna lie, like the packaging is very messy. I'd rather it just like, instead of this whole thing coming off, I'd rather it just be like one compartment, like, you know, a flip top comes up. But hey, the product's good. That's all that matters, right? But this was created by Carolyn Hirons. She's a beauty influencer. It's from the Pixi. It's from the Pixi Pretties collection. And this is the double cleanse. And one side is a cleansing oil and one is a luxe cleansing cream. And the oil is solid. This can be used nightly. I use this whenever I have a full face of makeup on. Every time you see me get a full face ready in these videos, I take my eyes off with, I at least use the cleansing oil every single time because it does not irritate my eyes. It removes the makeup so easily, and like with the Dermalogica pre-cleanse balm, I couldn't use the pre-cleanse oil from them because it burned my eyes really bad. I was like really allergic to it and it like clogged my pores a little bit, but the pre-cleanse balm, it doesn't clog my pores as much, but it does burn my eyes. Like I'll use that on like my face, but I will not do that with eyes. I'll use it on my, but this stuff I can use all over my face, my lips, everywhere, and it's so gentle. And I just definitely, and it's $24, which is not too bad, but it is pricey for drugstore. But a little goes a long ways with this as well, because I feel like this is just a pre-cleanse to get your makeup off, and then you go in with your face wash and everything else. So for pre-cleansing, I love using this so much, so much. You can get this at Target, I believe. And the last thing, I kind of like this like a lot. I didn't think I was gonna like it that much because I'm not into like age products or anti-aging products or whatever you want to call it. I'm not into that stuff at all. But this product is really amazing to me because it made my skin so soft. Like, you guys, like, my skin was so, I was like, what the heck? My sister was even like, she touched my face, she's like, oh, put it on my face. I was like, girl, what you need anti-age, you 15. But this is the here I go stuttering again. This is the Double Dare age-free gel mask, and honestly, it's like one of those zombie masks. It doesn't suck in as much, but it's like whenever you go to move your face, and this is a con of this product, when it's dry and you go to move your face, like you try to talk or smile or something makes you laugh, it hurts so bad. Honestly, it grabs all. I have a hairy face, like, come on, we all know I have a hairy face. My skin, my hair connects to this. I just have a lot of hair on my head, and it's dark hair, so, but it's, you know, it's peach fuzz, but it's just dark. We can get all that out of the way. Judgment-free zone here. But whenever I go to like smile or laugh, it hurts and pulls every single hair on my face. That's the only con of this product. Let me tell you more about the product before I get into the good stuff. This has supercharged oriental plants in it. I'm gonna butcher this. I'm gonna butcher half of these things. Jeju cactus, I think it's either Juju or Jeju. I'm not sure. Don't correct me. This is an English class. Thanks. I'm just kidding, you guys. But it has Jeju or Juju cactus, tiger centella. I don't know what this stuff is. Gold root, tiger root, and green detox, and it instantly promotes firmness and lifts your skin. That's what it does. And honestly, like I said, my skin is super soft. It is instantly firm. It is, and I love it. Like, I love when my face feels so refreshed and firm, and just, I don't know, but I really like this stuff. It's like this consistency is literally like hair gel. That's what I can relate it to, and you just smooth on your face. It seems to brighten my face too, especially right around my cheeks and my forehead, like these big areas of my face. It really brightens them. Dang, I'm hot. I'm really thirsty, you guys. I think I might be dehydrated. I really like this product, and it's $42. Again, it's not inexpensive. It's expensive. It's almost 50 bucks. And you're ordering online, so it's pretty much 50 bucks. But yeah, definitely look into this. This is the packaging. It's very simple, sleek. Here is what is on the back, if you can see that. I don't know if you can because of the glare, but it has all the ingredients and what it does. So if you like this video, first you need to subscribe down below because it takes 2 seconds and it's free, so why not? If you want more Micaylah, if you want, you know, if you want to become friends, join the community of this little channel I got going on, you know, just hit the button down there, you know? You gonna do it for me? Do it for your homie. Come on. And make sure you like this video so I know you guys want more videos like this, and leave a comment down below of any skincare products you want me to try, or you dislike, or you don't want me to try, or just tell me about a skincare product, whether you like it or whether it disappointed you, whether it's overhyped or underrated. Just tell me about it. I love to hear about new products all the time, and I would like to try some out too. So yeah, make sure you do all those things if you want to. I'm not gonna force you, but if you want to, make sure you do all those things, and I will see you in my next video.